Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to change your computer name in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do as by default and maybe some random letters and numbers, and so you may want to make it clear that it's your computer. So to go and get started, come to the bottom in both Windows 11 and 10. On the search, and you can go and type in. The settings do look a little bit different, but we're looking for the same button. You want to go and look for the option for System, which you can go and click on over to the left here. In Windows 10 it'll just be in the middle, then in System scroll down to the bottom and find the option About. Tap there. And at the top you'll go and see your computer name, and you can go over to the right and click on Rename this PC. You can then go and type in what you want it to say. I'll call Machine PC for example. I'll press Next and that's it. After restart, your PC name will then go and be changed, and so what you'll need to do is go to restart it, or you can restart it later. It's that simple. And of course, you can always change it again in the future.